Jessica, stop this thing you're doing. Get in the car now. I'm talking to you.
I beg you.
Why are you acting like this?
Who you think say you be? You dey Chris. Because I never change that for you.
Jessica, stop. I beg, just get in the car.
Bros, day your deal. Day your day.
Jessica, get in the car. Jessica.
Bros,
okay,
don't make me vex.
Okay, fine.
Eh?
Fine. I'll pay for your services. I want you for the night. I'll pay you for the night now. Chibi, that's what you want.
You mean now?
Yes, I'll pay. Just get in the car, please.
How you talk now? You mean business?
Yes, I do. Would you get in the car?
Oh, nah.
Yes.
Alright, now maybe we go.
It's okay. You don't...
I don't miss you, Sha. Oh, yeah, no.
Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all I need. Oh, the reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you.
Hello.
What's in the fine for you?
I just wanted.
You're not supposed to be here. What's in the fine for you?
I just wanted to make sure you got home safe. That's all.
I was waiting. My papa, my mama, I be my husband.
Oh, can you just calm down? It's not that
Bros,
serious.
they go your house. You hear me? They go your house.
Jessica, don't be.
Waiting, you call me. Jesse, waiting. Now you give me the name. You be my papa. Why they call me Jessica? I don't understand.
Okay. I can see you're clearly not in a good mood. So I'm just gonna go. I'll come check on you.
Come do waiting. I don't understand, bros. Come do waiting. Waiting in the fight for where I did now. Eh? You dey pity me now?
That's not.
You see me as charity case. You want use me as charity case, bros.
I literally just said I wanted to come check in on you.
See, may I tell you? Business when me and you get, it don't end. You see, I service you well. I teach you how to knack. You don't sabi knack. I dey respect you sake of say you been dey good to me. But I say God beg you, bros. Carry your wahala come up for here. Come out.
So what if I get you another job? I really don't want you in those streets. Okay, I could get you another job. It's not a big deal for me. I just want you out of the streets. Please, let me help you.
Come up for here.
Don't be like this now.
I say, may you come up for here.
Jessica, just listen.
Bros,
okay,
come up for here.
Just think about it.
No, what? You don't want to come out.
You don't even want to. I'm just trying to help. Why are you acting like this?
What's up? How are you?
Jealousy. Cross Alpha.
I do.
I be small body, big engine.
I love what I see.
If I dance on top your pre-care, if you see another Toto, you go run.
I love what I see.
Normally now. You see him? You said Abi? So that time I be daybreak.
Daybreak.
50K. Last price.
That is too much.
Yeah. Oh yeah now. If you carry these cheap girls, if you carry them, they get disease too.
Oh yeah, make we go.
Cash will transfer.
Transfer.
Oh yeah, now transfer my money.
I no go see what I want test before I transfer.
Bros, transfer my money, I beg.
Make we dey go, I go transfer for you for inside car.
You sure?
Very well.
Where will they go?
What's that for now?
No.
If you carry me now, they do two.
No.
Yeah, jealousy want to.
No jealousy.
Okay, carry your motor come on for your most customer. Do this thing, come on, make we see motor where they come.
They need the best person. They go.
Rosin and Sokoto will they go like this? I follow you talk now.
This your house, we never reach him.
We go soon reach.
Eh? Ross, I don't want to go. Beg, drop me.
I know fit.
Eh? I don't understand. I said I don't want to go again.
I know fit drop you.
Ross, I said I don't want to go again. Drop me, I beg. Which one you say you don't want to drop me?
I know fit.
You know fit as waiting. Change by force. I don't understand. Ross, I beg, drop me. See, I go somersault this motor.
Somersault make I see.
Eh? Hey. Bros. Bros, I said I don't want to go. You know they hear what? I don't want to go. Bros, drop me, oh. Drop me, bros.
Yeah! My! Jesus! My! Yeah, I can't see.
Stop. Let me out.
It's all full.
Not here.
It's okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Oga, thank you. God bless you.
It's okay, it's nothing really. You just need to be careful, yeah? Alright then, be safe, yeah? Good night. Well, the whole thing was just stressful, Jerry. Just kept going back and forth, but then I was able to close the deal at the end of the day.
So sorry, babe. At least it went well. Have you eaten?
No, I told you now, babe. I just got back. I just want to quickly freshen up. And then I'll go and get something to eat.
Oh, yeah. So you want to shower now?
Yeah, I want to quickly go shower now.
Why don't we switch to video call? I want to see you, babe. I want to watch you shower.
You want to switch to video call? And let me just quickly go and shower, and then when I come out, I'll video call you.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'll switch to video call.
If you want to watch me shower.
Yeah, baby.
Babe, it's going to be kind of weird now.
What's weird about it? Am I not your woman?
Yes, you are.
Please, baby.
Okay. I'll switch to video call. No. Are you seeing me?
Anything on the boys. Anything on the boys.
Nothing for the boys, I
No, they touch me now.
Yes. Give it. Shama, never. Why did you like?
Yeah, I did.
I know best.
Yeah, but
I beg. I didn't talk.
No issue, no trouble. See,
Of
this place where you did now, Akaba, not to disturb for you. So I'm with you, so I'm shook.
Go offload.
Yeah, go down, go down.
I beg now.
So make I blow you. Go down. Don't
collect.
Yeah,
I beg.
Offload,
okay. So your beg, no beg.
Sasha.
I wait for person now. Person go soon come.
Let's consign us.
I'm not do like this now.
I will blow you.
Now we guys repeat now. I beg.
One time. Go down. Go down.
A big man, he came on.
Then I don't give this one having a waiting.
Keep my phone.
Boss. Who are you? Boss. What's
Who
is there?
Some boys, they just took my wallet and my phone. They took everything from me. And somebody's supposed to meet me here.
Boss. They don't achieve you.
Eh?
Yeah, they don't achieve you.
Oh God, what do I do?
The boy say.
This is not happening to me. And I was supposed to meet somebody here.
They not trick you, Abi.
No, they just took they took everything.
What did they collect?
My phones, my wallets, they just took it and left.
Are you come?
You know the guys?
Boss. You know they to ask question for you.
Please, sorry, please, you can
No,
help me, I
they
really
come.
appreciate
They
it.
come. Boss, they come.
Okay.
Babala. Spider-Man. Bro, see. This is not only you feel think person like this, that person go buy immediately. See. Matter deal. Your girl need help, and only if you run am. Now your girl I be now. I dey come. I go show you love. I dey come. You dey. I dey come. No come out to I dey come. Voila.
Who is this?
Nadia Baba.
Can you help us get the phone?
See, boss. If you read that piece, you go pretend say me and you na boyfriend and girlfriend. If you want collect your phone, your wallet, that's what you go do. DM me.
Okay.
So calm down.
Okay.
Where would you go?
Let's go. This is my car. Can use the
Hey, they go update this one, oh. They go up their headquarters. You won't come carry motor.
But is the car? Is it safe here?
For this side like this, God grace. Grace of God.
Let me just be sure that. Let me just.
Just lock am where. No panic. You dey safe.
It's not.
The only time they take.
Juicy, where get juice?
Spider-Man will get spider.
So now your baba be this.
You don't see him now. You're so fit. Now my mom be this so.
Oh, I don't know.
I dey
Baba.
So wetin best out?
The matter no plenty, sha. Just be say some of your boys run am streets. They collect him phones and wallets. And they very important too. They important for your work. I see me I come meet you, maybe and you follow talk. See na my man in be. So as you get where I be, I see me I can't tell you now. May you help me.
You suppose you are the matter they be. No orientation.
Nah, IJGP. You go learn.
Over. So which of my boys do that one?
Nah, dear wahala dey o. I don't be there, so I just know say if I come meet you, you go put mouth and they go move am. Babala.
Don't say they get juice normally.
Babala.
Okay, that one day. I go try.
Yeah.
Man, shake one of the boys.
I will shake him. He dey move am. He dey move am.
Abi.
Yeah.
Boy, Paul.
Ah. No, my love, no, my love.
This is they do like teacher where they class. Adjust now.
That's why that so.
Now my area you did adjust.
That's why that.
You see, you supposed to do something for us.
Baba, oh, Baba, I trust your girl. Now your girl I be. Me, I go show you love. I go show you love. Anything where Juicy talk, Juicy they do now.
That one there, I believe it. Can they go this night? Make I put call.
Baba la.
I don't want to fall out. We go no.
May all of them fall out too.
They go fall out.
May all of them fall out too.
But don't say the end of the return waiting day sheet. But as you don't come.
I trust you now.
Juicy we get juice.
Baba la.
Juicy we get juice.
Bala, say bala.
You know they jump.
They jump you baba la.
That but you.
Night JDB.
They got the plate there. They mount to bros. Over. Shake it, juicy. Where you?
You are welcome to my humble home.
Thank you.
If it's enough for you.
Thank you.
So, I sure say you're hungry. May I go cook?
No.
I feel cooking to me.
No. I'm good. I'm good, thank you.
Bros. Why you got the fear? Since I go put something for the food.
No, I'm just not hungry. Thank you though for that. I appreciate you offering.
Oh, voilà.
Yeah.
You know the bake person made in chop.
Are you sure these guys are going to call?
They will come now. As far as say spider don't talk, so they will come. They will come.
Okay, thank you.
If you want sleep, you feel like that for you. I clean they clean.
Yeah, I'm good here. Thank you.
No. I come, I go shit.
Guy, where you keep your phone now? What did you solve? Michael, Alpha. So, did you see Kinsley today in the site? I'm trying to reach him, I can't reach him, and people are calling me now. People that wants to reach him, they couldn't reach him, so they're calling me now. So me, I'm trying to reach him too, but the whole thing is just confusing. I'm just restless here now. You know what? Don't worry. Thank you so much. Thank you. What do I do now? Where is this guy? Where you keep your phone, guy? What is this up now? Where you even deal with? Guy! Hello, good evening. I am so sorry. I've been trying to call him. His numbers are not going through. Okay. Okay, not to worry. Once I get him through or once he calls back, I'll make sure he calls you. Alright. Thank you so much. where I could begin find this guy to go like this now? Eh? Where you could go like this now? It's not like clubs. He does not go to the club now. Doesn't even go to the bar. Doesn't even go out with the guy. I've been they watch football.
Bros.
Yeah, I slipped off.
No, I don't collect them.
Thank God.
Now only one food they bring come on.
It's just one they brought?
They said the other one don't work, I go far. So now tomorrow.
You should have bring it tomorrow.
And they go bring them. Short thing, they go bring them.
Thank you so much. I was already starting to think they wouldn't bring it back.
They go bring them. But it will come for night too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Thank you so much.
Bros, no they thank me. No they thank me. Now we supposed to thank you. You know what you do for me that day?
It's no biggie, really. But still, thank you.
No, I don't hear.
Alright, I should get going. It's getting pretty late, so I'll be back tomorrow, yeah? Alright.
I did.
Alright then. Yeah, just take care of yourself. Good night.
Don't forget to tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
Try. See I say fine. Oh, that's how I come do like this.
Guy!
Well,
Guy, what you think be alpha? Guy, I've been calling you since today now. Where you keep your phone? What did they sup?
But if I want make I sit down first, I beg.
What happened, guy?
I'm okay if I tell you what you do me. I swear to God, you don't go believe.
What happened?
You sabi that land for Songo to the White Day, I want to go check. Like I go check them. As I reached there, now some boys obtained me.
Are you serious?
Guy, I swear to God, he took everything. He took my phone, my wallet. He come up. Anything just tired me, I swear. But luckily for me now, get one babe like that. This girl that I helped one time. She was just passing. She saw the whole thing happen now. She says she knows one of the... She said the boys will obtain me. She said their leader. Say, man, no worry. She will help me collect my stuff back. My guy, that's how I was able to get one of my phones, so my wallet. She said I should come back tomorrow. That the other phone, they don't already move on. You know you.
Jesus crazy.
Hey, you think they don't already move on. See, I gotta come back tomorrow, so she will help me get down back.
Guy.
Nah, if I'm asked to see me so like this, my brain just won't blow like this. I'm tired.
Sorry, bro. You had a really bad day, man.
You don't tell me there.
I don't call you. I say, come here, your crib. I don't see anything. I just did.
Vex, make I go freshen up now. I will find something chow now.
You need them now. You need them.
You don't chow?
No, I'm okay. I do okay. No worry.
You sure? If you enter kitchen, whip up something for yourself, bro.
No, mama. I do okay. I see you like this now, guy. I just do okay like this. I was worried, bro. I was worried. Thank God for your life, brother. Thank God, man. Thank God, bro.
Come, just... Okay, yes.
But you get what see, you get one woman will call me here. She been tell me say make I tell you as you come back.
Oga. I beg. Wake up, they go. Come they go. Wake up now.
Listen.
I say may you wake up now, wake up. Your time don't finish now, you don't expire. Come they go your house.
Juicy.
I don't understand. This place like your house. When you realize as waiting. Are you they pay my rent? I'll go carry yourself, they come up for your fight. Buy use best. Throw it for your body.
You know the tire.
You dey craze. You dey craze. I be go wan kill you. I said don't they waste my time. Carry yourself, they go. Your wife they waiting for house.
What for you?
Now what for you? Never do you. If I leave you now, you go sleep 2 days. On top waiting, on top how much you pay me. You dey craze. How much you pay me? Okay, no dey check time for this place. Just carry yourself, they go, come out. They come out for here. No, they waste my time. They come out.
No, they shot on my head.
They go. Ah. Says everywhere they smell. Some they smell like pig. On top how much you even pay me? They increase. What I said they try you. Eh? I have to continue my bed sheets like this.
Hey, Boo Boo.
Hey, my love. How's your day going?
My day is okay, Jerry. Just got back from work not long ago. I was actually going to call you, so let me just freshen up first.
Oh, that's great, my love. So sorry. I've got good news, though.
What's...
Yeah, I finally got the leave. I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm coming to you.
Are you serious?
Bros. Careful, oh. Come. I beg, sit down, bros. Ha. You see what happened today?
Thank you.
It remains for me and people go fight. They don't want to give me the fight. I said, wait till they happen. Why do they behave like this?
Were you able to get it?
You know why it be? It's where Juicy tell you, Juicy go do. Trust me.
Are you serious?
Yes, nah. Bros, no worry. See your phone. See him.
Thank you so much. I swear to God, I was legit starting to think they wouldn't give you the phone.
For waiting.
Thank you. You're a really, really nice person, and I really appreciate you getting this phone back for me.
Bros, don't do.
No, you don't have no idea what you've done for me. Like, I owe you big time. You know what? What can I do for you to repay you for this?
Bros, you're not supposed to do anything. See, me, I do it because that's the right thing to do. And you, if you don't help me before now.
No, compared to this, that was nothing. But still, thank you. You're a really, really nice person. And I appreciate you doing this for me.
Bro, you are a nice person.
Thank you.
No, they thank me, don't do.
Okay. Thank you, sorry.
Anyway, I shall cook. I know if I tell you, you can't chop now, you go tell me, say, I know they're hungry. That because say this place no fine now.
Stop now. That last time was because I wasn't hungry.
I beg you, leave that
talk. You know what was going on with
leave
you?
matter for matter. Me and you know say that because say this place no fine.
Fine, bring the food.
You can't bring it. What did you cook?
You sure?
What do you mean? I should go and bring the food.
I cook jollof, oh. Better jollof. No, bros, I didn't cook.
Thank you.
Hey. Now jollof and egg, we don't get chicken for here.
Listen, it works for me.
Wow, such a beautiful, kind-hearted lady.
Hola. Pastor, I'm now. Go! Guy! I tell you, say you go score. Tell you, say they go score. See ball now. See R2, guy. I don't talk. Bro, Kings. You dey crazy when your mind dey.
Well, no vex.
Don't see fine go where they score for you. Wetin dey sup?
I do okay now. What's it?
You dey with me, guy. Talk to me. Wetin dey sup, guy? Wetin dey sup?
Nah, guy, na Zara.
Wetin she do?
Zara, they come back now.
Are you serious?
I swear.
Ah, na good news now, guy. Why you dey like this now? This is how you guys get to meet now and stop this your online relationship or what you guys are doing.
I don't want to save day now. Nah, guy, me, I don't even know. So
what's it come be the issue? Now you know they happy about that. When I get issue.
no, I'm not getting you sure. I see it. I just see. I want to talk this thing, man. Guys, Zara is wild, though.
Okay.
Zara is very wild when it comes to knacks now.
Okay.
And she get very high expectations of me. So
I don't see what you dey talk, sir. You tell me say the other day say you tell her say when she comes back, say you go run 30 positions in 30 seconds. Say you go do this one, do that one. Nah, she go still dey expect am from you now.
No, that one not close, I beg.
Abi you know they not trust yourself. Abi you dey catch fear. Your junior know dey work. What you dey so?
My junior no dey. With everything they work, and everything they alright.
So what come be the issue? Go.
I never run this kind of P before.
Never do it.
But here I talk now. I say I never run this kind of P before. Stress me.
You never know I'm like in 2 months, 5 months, 1 year.
Come, I beg, no they do this kind of nonsense. You know what they try talk now. Which one be? I never run it. I tell you I never run it in 2 months.
I talk say you never. I talk say
Hey, you know what they talk now? Why did you say no?
So how long? When was the last time you?
Nah, guy, I be virgin. I never had before.
You say?
Come, no, just I know before you know. You mess up, man. As I tell you, I do bad.
Ah! Jesus. Hey! Gigs! Jehovah! You never nothing. All your life. So these people they carry yash they
Boy, I beg talk with you don't do I beg. You don't laugh, me go.
You dey miss. You dey miss. Hey, no wonder. But guy, relax. Now I know your problem. Don't talk since now. I got you. Look me. I got you.
Jumpy, you go. How you take that me? I go slap you. I swear to God, I go slap you.
Sorry.
You take Chris.
Sorry.
I got this serious now.
Sorry. Okay. No worry. I got you.
You take God. You say I got you. I take God.
Relax. I go fix your problem. No worry.
You go fix my problem.
I go fix you. I'll fix you. Chill. No be issue. That one on my mind now. No be issue.
I say you don't even know what they do before you just talk your own.
Don't kiss me.
You idiot.
I love that.
Who be that? Babe, not me. Sasha, wetin happen?
Come open this door.
Ready, come. Hey! This one when you come find me. Eh? Sasha. Eh? I no get money.
I don't understand.
I no get money.
Don't blame you, na syphilis. Na syphilis dey cause am. Na syphilis dey do you. And this your
Malabka bed. You know how much I buy.
How much you buy am? What is what I say for Balogun market? I see. Hey, baby. Serious matter. I get business. You get one big client where I get 100K. I tell you. Sasha, I tell you.
100K. Where did you find this kind of better fish now?
I know say you know sabi use your phone online. online. Bobby, I don't feel service.
What's it what? 100K. No true, Yamo.
My mama, that woman, I think I don't start again. Let's go see him. Let's go see him. You know, I won't make you help me. May you replace me, you know. May you go help me service somewhere. I trust you now. I'll come now. Josie, baby. I trust you. Well, we share 50-50.
I don't understand. 50-50. On top waiting. This one a monkey they walk, babu go con chop. Now?
Na me just you.
So na me.
Calm down. Me will down 60-40.
See, 70-30.
You don't any money.
Me, I don't need money. You know the kind of light where I go face. You know the kind of thing where you carry.
Anything where you carry, I know say it's a bit doing.
I beg you. Now I go meet you. Now I go meet you. 70-30 me I go do.
Oh yeah, no wahala.
Because say you don't tell me say mom see no well.
Your blood
is supposed to be 80-20 safe. I beg you.
No wahala, make on the go now. I go arrange, you know, service sound well. I trust you now. Trust you now. I come, my baby. Juicy. Must they come? No, we are this our TV go there. No, we are this our TV go there. Just baby.
Sasha, baby, you gonna teach me, oh. Go see. This online where you dey, you gonna teach me. We say I suppose to learn this one. That's a package. Show why I go wear like this. And this one. And this one. Forget. And let me see. So now my lucky week. That's when I go wear. And then this one my lucky week. Package on way. Sasha.
My G.
Auntie,
How far
how you doing? This one say you show my side. You don't even tell me say you come.
My house be this. Come anytime while I walk up.
You follow me, parents. How far now?
I don't know why I did that.
So I say you swag up like this. I tried you call like this.
A sharp guy.
Yeah, fine, bro. No man. How far now?
See, guy. I want to tell you, say, I don't find you one fine shima for tonight.
I don't understand. Which you find Shima? Which one was Shima do? But you know, see, I get babe now. I'm in a relationship. I don't understand.
That relationship will go scatter if you don't live up to your expectation.
As I don't understand. So because of waiting, because I know Zara will come break up with you.
Hey, this guy.
Are you even listening to yourself, guy?
It will shock you. Go clear you for eye. See, this Zara where you don't just me, see. You don't tell her, say you go deal with her. Say you go scatter her, say you go tear her, say you go move her from couch to kitchen, from kitchen to bedroom, say you go scatter your car like this for here, the client stairs. What you tell me, say you tell her.
No, I see everything now.
Nah, she don't carry her for mine now. Don't say you go move on from place to place, say you go change position, you go move on to 30 places in 30 seconds. As far driver where you be there. Guy, I don't know say those things where you talk down don't enter her head. As she dey come now, she carry her for head. She dey expect them. How it is that she go feel if you come here now, you know if you do that thing where you say you go do. If you don't live up to your expectation, that girl go leave you. You don't understand? All this is what they tell her, she don't carry her for mind, she don't even wet. She dey call. Oh my God. If you know feel run things, guy, she could leave you. If you carry her more. No baby. See, I don't reason I finish say, my guy love this girl, oh. And my guy won't keep this girl, oh. So what I go do? I say, okay, make I help you. Because I'm my man you be. You don't understand?
Femi, No, I don't understand this one. This is cheating now.
No be cheating.
My baby.
Not be cheating. Now you see, no be see am from this angle.
No, guy, which angle? This doesn't make any sense.
Listen,
now.
for football where they play, they first of all do training before the actual match, Abi. They pay attention or listen to the voice of wisdom.
Yeah, you talk.
Good. This one na training one do. I know say no be ball wey you use do training. Now we use play match. So this is your training session. Train well, learn things, adventure, do things, get experience for the main event. You understand? Guy, forget that guy. Get ready tonight, guy. Get ready for your training tonight, guy. Don't tell me. Understand? Get ready. You feel me? Tonight. No, fuck me up, oh. Tonight. I got you. You see this girl, guy, you go crazy. You go crazy. Tonight. Training time. Tonight. How far, guy? Food in the kitchen? I don't want you to say food no deal.
I won't break up with me.
When they call Juicy, come out! Come out! You want not too much for this compound? Come out! Huh? You want too much now? Juicy, come out! See, I don't say this. Come out!
Sarah, what's happening? Why you dey shout Juicy like that? What's happening?
I dey concern you. I call your name.
I don't understand.
I dey concern you.
You won't break.
I be your name na Juicy. I call you.
Your body. Waiting happen.
What it concern you? You smart shit.
No, who dey find Juicy?
You. So, my customer find me come. You carry and enter house, go service am. You no get your own. Bomb dey your head.
Customer talk say your toto no get mileage again. Who want the one wey get juice?
Wow. You see that fight wey dey fire me? You go get am. And when the fight come, make you ready. Because me I ready for you. Na that day I go show you say, I be worry girl. And my name na Kewe.
We don't see 99. We know they pay 100. Alright?
Ready for me.
I say your this is no sweet.
Maji. So I've been telling you I got you now.
But you got me this way, you got me.
I've never been this now. Look at him. Check him out.
I did look up.
And this fine man on service.
Yeah, I know.
Man fine well.
I tell you.
Fine man.
Hello.
No fear. Your friend don't tell me everything. By the time I go undo you, I go lick you. I go knock this for come out for your head. No worry.
Yeah.
By the time I'm done with you, go to say something jammy.
But you said we could calm down, eh? You still be learner, I tell you.
Don't worry. No get anything to worry about. I go handle him.
Yeah, man. So, Maji, you calm down. Don't mess me up. Calm down. Just feel free. She won't harm you. Relax. She will just, not the wrong things. Understand?
I don't understand.
Relax now. She will take control. Just stay. Me, I get outside.
Yeah? She can go outside.
I don't know the here now.
You know the
No, relax. I just stay behind the door. I just stay. Relax. Enjoy. Alright, G. Alright, see you. Take care.
Thanks, man.
Take care. Fine girl.
Hi, man. Where you want me to start? A full package your friend pay for. I make I
Wait, no. Please, just wait, stop. Just sit down. Let's talk first. Okay, just sit here. Okay, stop. Just stop, please. So I'm going to. I'm going to need you to run a test because I need to be sure that, you know, before we proceed with anything.
Azal.
I just need to be sure that you're clean because me, I'm already clean. I've run my own test, but I have some test strips.
Which kind of talk be that one? As you see me like this, as I look like who get disease for your hide?
No, that's
Which kind of stupid talk be this now?
That's no, I'm not saying that you have.
Oga, shut up! Which one be say you want run test? Ashawo they run test. You clean and you carry ashawo. You no say na ashawo I be. Omo na my work na ashawo I dey do. They pick me up. I be hook up. Which one be say you want run test? Test for waiting. I no go refund you. Let me just do my work now.
Stop. Okay, well, look, before we go with pursue anything, you have to do it.
Now God go punish you. God go punish you for me. Because say I dey call you fine man. You no fine now. Who you be? You dey craze. You are a foolish man. Look at you. You want run test. Ashawo dey run test. As I be like this, I be like who get disease. I God go punish you. See as it be. Because I call you fine man. You ugly die. You clean and you carry ashawo. Can knock you for just a see as they look. You see. Don't worry.
What just happened right now? Oh.
Hi, baby. I don't say you don't tire. What's that happen now?
Waiting do you? Waiting do me. They ask me. Ah, God.
What's happening now? Why they sound...
No, they ask me. Oh, see, I don't even get strength to talk. Now I know why you dey run. You dey run now.
What's happen?
See the kind person where you bring come my side. Person where no dey tire. This man knack me. He knack me. He knack. See, you no get the kind knack way this man no knack me. Ah! For tell me say na academics you dey carry me go now.
No, yes, I don't know what the man.
You dey laugh. How you no go know? No be your person.
I beg,
No
calm
be your
down now.
man.
Why you dey para like this? Calm down now.
I don't blame
Your blood too hot.
I don't blame you now. You don't do your own now. 1-0.
Calm down.
No wahala. I give you your money.
Hi, baby. Ask something, join now.
Make thunder no fire you.
Your blood too hot. Ask something.
Listen to the knack you. You want knack condemn my kidney. Talk say you dey pay me how much?
How much you had?
No send
I
am.
don't send down. Where my phone? You're kidding my side.
No send am.
How far now? What's that happen?
Sasha. You get wetin I be wan tell you, Shabo. You know my girl, you get to tell you.
Okay. Who wants your money?
I beg see. Get one bobo where I meet. Guy fine.
How much you want pay?
So he dey craze. Now everybody dey do how much.
I don't understand.
Your life don't spoil you. See. The guy fine. He get money. I mean, I can't dey like him more. I even get his number. Wetin happen?
Chris. Suppose they walk your head. You don't forget what you carry enter this town. You dey like him. Talk him again. You dey like him.
You don't do. You don't do. Shouldn't I be find trouble now? I dey tell you say I dey like person. No wala. Can't dey go
You
yourself.
dey hear yourself. I don't understand.
I say you don't do now.
Bro, na show you be oh.
I don't know say na
Knack and collect money. Let me see you be.
You see your side they go.
Make I dey go.
I need breeze. I beg. You supposed to even work for this money where I give you. Can't they fan me like
Make
this?
I fan you like this.
Can't they fan am?
Make I fan am.
Don't tire.
Not try. See, that's what you tell me. I'm not trying. Which kind of thing love that one now? Not try more. Guy, our work now to not collect money.
Come they go.
Leave me, I beg.
They go, Sasha. See.
I beg.
Carry yourself. They go.
I know they go anyway. I dey here. I no come out. You want the love? Waka. Come wash him. I beg. Give me water, make I drink.
Thunder no fire you.
Get smoke.
Yeah. I'm literally going through the email now. So I saw the blueprint you just sent. Yes, but then I also asked you to send a 3D model of the.
No, I need it now. So I can go through everything together. Yes. Okay, but that's not the only thing, yeah. So I also need you to, because I'm looking at the dimension of the balcony in comparison to the car park, and I don't know, I feel like it's too much. So I'm just gonna need you to just dumb that down a little bit. You know what? I'm just gonna make my corrections, yeah, and then I'll send them back to you. Give me a second, please. No, I'm still with you. Alright, so I'm going to go through this blueprint you just sent to me, right? And then I'll make my corrections on it and send it back to your email. Then once you're done with everything, you send it back to me so we can finalize. No, sorry, just hold on, give me a minute. Hello? Kelechi, please let me, I have a very important call. Let me just pick this call. I'll get back to you, yeah? Alright, thank you. Hey, baby.
Hey, love. How's it going?
It's going good, Jerry. I was just rounding up a call with the client before your call came in. How are you now?
I'm good, baby. I just miss you. I keep counting down to the day I will be with you. I can't wait to have you, baby.
You can't wait to have me. I can't wait to have you too, baby.
Right? Well, that's all. I just called to tell you that I love you so much.
That's all you called to tell me. Okay. I love you too, baby. Yeah, we'll talk later. Okay. Femu, how far now? Guy, I beg, if you help me get another babe, I beg. Guy, I'm ready this time. I beg.
Which kind of rubbish is this one now? You know what I suffer? Carry that babe come for you. You know? You know how much I pay him? Why I carry babe come for you? You can't ask some about test results. What you concern test results, concern and show why I carry come for you now? Don't tell me rubbish. Don't tell me you clean. You clean past me. See, that was why I carry come for you. Where you go? You CD run am straight up as you don't talk finish. Go to ask am say, where your test? You dey crazy guy. No be so, bro. No be so. I don't tell you say I got you. You don't trust me? Hey, now why you supposed to calm down now? Follow me up now. Now you supposed to calm down. Do what I say you do, guy. You just mess everything up now. Money why I pay now don't go. They call me, go they para for me. Say if not like this, man, don't call me again. I do bad thing. Now your business, so me I don't try for you. I don't go. If you like, if you say I come, make you go mess yourself up. That one concern you. Me, I don't try for you. Never come and tell me say, I beg what you go do, guy. Me, I don't try. No call me, ask me that rubbish. You hear me? Nonsense. I shall they get this result.
What do you do for you?
I live here. This is my house.
Now you be the virgin where they say I can't do.
Yes. Is this the kind of work you do?
Guy, why don't they like? Don't catch me for bad corner. Ah, yeah, what don't gas.
Come in. You could just sit down here or there. Anywhere you're comfortable with, you could just sit down.
I hear say you find test result. I bring and come. We're not supposed to fear. Everywhere they clean. Eh? I do routine checks, so. I collect my money up front though. Money for hand, back for grand.
Just put your details there. Sent.
Shall we?
Yeah, the room is just...
My test result. Now come.
So we could just upstairs.
Now leave it away.
Okay.
Ross. I don't ready. Oh, yeah, now. Like that.
Okay, wait.
Yes.
Wait.
Ross,
wait.
waiting. Bro,
Just
waiting
wait.
with the wait
Just
now.
slow down.
Slow down for waiting now. Eh, bros.
Do you think we should turn off the lights?
So I think wait. I know they think when they knock. Eh? If you want me off like fear of them, won't be say make I knock you come over for you. You know they waste my time, bros. Eh?
Okay, but like what would you be comfortable
Bros,
with? I just want you to be comfortable, that's all.
Bros, you know they speak English for knock, eh? Come on, this one we Wi-Fi.
What?
Come on, time.
No, but I needed to see what
Bros, you know go see. No need see. You think they sweet. Come on, time. Eh? Bros! Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah.
What's next?
May I comot your clothes? No, may I comot am?
Okay, just slowly, please. Just.
Ross.
Wait, can you just like slow down?
You even see your nipple self, you fine.
So stop touching my nipple like that.
Ross, wait now.
Wait, you're being very aggressive.
Wait now.
You're being very aggressive.
Wait, see. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah. Ross, I lie down.
Wait, can you just slow down?
Ross, you carry you. Hey! Ross, now ma you be. Eh?
Okay, wait.
No, bros, no worry. No talk. Now me go do work now, eh?
Okay.
Don't worry, bros.
Alright, just be gentle.
No wala. I go be gentle.
Wait, why are you touching like that?
That place they touch now.
No, I don't think you should.
Now that place I supposed to touch, bros.
But you're holding it very tight. Can you just...
No worry. I go hold am. You go enter my mouth like this.
No,
bros.
I don't think
Easy.
I don't think it's...
I rush go do something. No panic. I never run with your money. I go come back for night. Thank you.
The guy fine. He came. Eh, I mean, I can't like him more. I even get his number. What's happen?
Hey, Chris. Suppose they walk your head. You don't forget what you carry enter this town. You dey like him. Talk him again. You dey like him.
You don't do.
I don't understand.
I say you don't do now.
Bro, na sure you be oh.
I don't know say na sure.
Knack and collect money. Let me see you be.
What do you do for you?
I live here. This is my house.
Now you be the virgin where they say my condo.
Yes. Is this the kind of work you do?
What's happen? Ah, bros. So they look me, they do me. What's happen? Bros, you know they tire. Eh? You don't knock me 3 times now. I never do you. I beg, go like they pay me you. I beg. Don't be say maybe be virgin. Won't finish me.
I want to cuddle.
I sure know they called you. You there? Ah.
I just want to cuddle.
Bros. 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 You say na cuddle you want, Abi? Na cuddle.
Yes.
No be say I go say make we cuddle now, you go come define on that thing o.
I just want to cuddle.
I no can understand this one no. Oh. No wahala now. Na cuddle. No dey touch me like this, bros.
Sorry.
Na cuddle you say you want. No dey touch me.
Sorry. I would eventually have to touch you.
Huh.
So, yeah. Okay.
I now. Cuddle sleep oh. Cause me say if I want sleep.
Okay, just cuddle.
So you dey look me dey smile. Wetin you dey see?
I just want to cuddle now.
Oya now. Oya, cuddle.
Thank you.
Bros, where your hand dey go?
It's not going anywhere.
Put am for you. Shoot am, you come this side.
Okay.
Sleep oh. Sleep. Bros, I say make you put your hair, put am for this side. Put am here.
Welcome home, baby.
Thank you.
Sweet, Daddy.
I like it. Kelechi Alpha, remove the things from the booth.
Thank you.
Welcome home,
Thank
my
you.
queen. Come here. Mwah. Give me your booth.
Oh my God. You're
Kelechi, there's something at the back as well. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Let's go. Go inside.
Hey,
Why are you looking at me like that?
what do you mean why am I looking at you? Have you seen your face?
So,
What do you mean by that? What are you doing?
yeah.
Sleep good? Yeah.
How long have I been out for?
32 hours.
It's a joke.
I'm joking. It's like 3 hours, 3 or 4, give or take.
What?
Mm-hmm.
That's the longest time.
Yeah, you're pretty tired, eh?
Yes, me. You want me out? So?
I did what? I did what now?
You want me out?
Well, you being tired had nothing to do with me. I didn't do anything.
You did something.
What did I do?
You did
Why are you looking?
I'm so tired.
I don't know. You hungry?
Depends.
Depends on what you want to eat. Hey, naughty girl, you literally just passed out and you already started watching. Don't do it. You hear me? You hear me?
Yes.
So what are you not trying to do?
If I don't understand it this now, what's that happen?
Nothing there happen. I did.
Tell me say nothing there happen. I beg, turn like this, they talk to me. Tell me say nothing there happen. I know you now. Wait. Babe, since we come back from this guy's house, don't change. Follow me talk. They look me eye to eye. Make I follow me talk. They look me, they talk.
Why?
Let's see.
The babe don't come.
And so? I don't understand. Wait till consign me. Wait till consign you. Consign him, babe. My lady, don't like this. Make her follow you talk. Wait till. Calm down. Wait till consign me. See, no make me regret why I carry go to that house. No make me regret her. One or two no get any feature now. The guy no like you. You no go feel like himself. Yes. Na reality be that though. See, don't forget what to carry enter this Lagos. Don't forget what to carry enter streets. We dey hustle. They hear am so. We dey hustle. We come do a shower work. No be prick. No be that guy prick. I don't know wetin dey yourself. No be that guy prick carry enter this place. So. We come here come hustle. Baby be first pikin. He be first born. Yes. Make her the sound and make it the hear am. He be first pikin. Where your mama and papa dey? They dey rich here. You won't follow man because of love. Asha we know the love. We know the love.
I know Sabi Asha. Asha will not deserve happiness too. Now so my life go take be. Me say if I deserve happiness too now. She not only my family while I go carry for head. I beg I deserve happiness. See, I like the guy. I like him. I like the guy. I like him.
Yeah? You dey serious? Follow me talk, no dey pull her. You dey serious?
Try me say like the guy. You see, we be Ashawo. Ashawo no they love. You know they love Ashawo. You don't forget. Now I could be that now. We know they love. Since we're in that streets, now I could. What's your problem now? Your parents need you. We guys make money. Money they for Ashawo business. Don't be man. Make her tell me here and now. Come out, me go do Ashawo runs. Ashawo carry us enter Lagos. Now you want to carry us enter. Now what you go do? God, you need money now. We guys make money. We guys leave this place. Get one nice prick who I see outside. The guy is this sharp. Come out, me go hustle. Let's be all these ones now. Say like person. I beg. This kind of don't like them now. They might take my house.
This money not complete now. How much is it? You don't know how much you give me. Can't I?
Take a miss you. Why the para now?
I don't know.
Let me tell you, your body go to prepare. 5K there.
Now 5K, me and you agree.
I know to say the road. Just roll. I won't go POS man with your mind. Back up to the work.
You don't stick again. Oh God, you know they go anywhere.
You never reach to it. You never reach to
complete my money.
You never reach to my shit now. I say me I go. I say I go do POS. My backup no dey work.
Sure you come for no sure you want come for. Make una come help me see problem.
You call them now. Why you dey call them? I don't understand.
Sure you dey turn me upside down. Change my style. Tell me, hey, corner.
Hey,
calm down. I dey mad oh. Forget we go I dey mad.
I don't say they come and shower house, no put money for pocket.
Pay
your money.
I give her 5K. My backup no dey work. I say me I go POS. Me I go with your money. She got to say I
want check your bank. Lagos for this Lagos. Pay your money.
Pay your money. Okay, calm down. What did they worry you?
Wait.
Now shopping that today we go. No, calm down.
You know what's up?
You don't say you go pay so you carry your money complete.
Maybe first time I dey carry. You know me very well now.
Pay her. I think pay her money job.
Now returning customer now.
Now returning customer, I dey owe me like.
Go hold yourself below. Pay me my money complete. Money.
Calm down now.
Bring your phone.
Bring your phone.
For this Lagos.
Wait.
Bring your phone, John. Bring your phone.
Bring your phone. You want not to get money. Pull up.
Let me first.
Let
me first now.
You don't get it. It is here for her. What we take that for you? What we take that for you? What we take that for you? I think crazy.
Your mouth is smell.
You know well, something they worry you for bread. Bring this one, Joe. You come and say what's no money. You get up to them at the 30.
Hey, go! You want not to not get money.
See, I be like this leg for me. Fast your leg for you.
Mumu. Now to the open. Enter. Nothing you sabi. You don't collect Mumu. Yeah,
the phone there with you. That back your money. What?
Hey, you for
no man, Nana. You can't go so free. No money complete. Guys, be like this.
The phone there, hand.
The phone there, my hand.
Look this man.
You see this guy? Why you do this man? If I see him here again, I will cut his leg. I shall the fuck 5,000. Wow. You see, I shall go like the rest of you. I will break his leg. You don't know where you
go. What exactly is wrong with me now? Why can't I get this girl out of my head? She's a prostitute, Kinsley. What is wrong with you? You have Zara. She's a decent woman. She fits into everything. Your mom loves her, so why? Why do you keep thinking about this girl? Nah, I can't do this. Zara is perfect for you, man. Just stop it. God, what is wrong with me? But you don't get sense.
Guy, how far? This me now?
Oh, Jabi, this one will be matter for phone. That's me, sit down first. I go, yeah, you.
You see your way. Don't reach time now to gist now. Gonna tell me say you go call me later.
Yeah, you dey crazy. You don't just get it. Like you don't get what going to do, Abi. You just did your job, let's disturb us. Guys, don't know matter we go talk for phone. I say we go meet. Huh? We will meet for that usual spots now. Oh, yeah. I'm a guy, I don't nearly research. Make I call you, but make I call this guy. I'm not here. I know. See. Animal. You don't guess this.
Fine boy. You're not too cost, eh? Fine boy. Eh? See me now. Abba, wait here.
No, please. Jessica, stop. Jessica.
Jessica.
Stop. Jessica.
Wow.
Jessica. What are you doing here? You stand on the road too?
You don't know. What's going to happen?
Jessica, get in the car. Jessica, come.
Ross, I beg, I don't understand.
What are you doing on the road?
I was waiting now. Why are they asking that kind of jam question?
Look, I don't want you here. You need to go home and sleep.
Ross, me and you business don't end. If you see me for road, carry yourself for once. You don't know me, I don't know you. If they hear me, I don't want to embarrass you. Carry yourself come on for you.
See me carry you. Let's see this.
Now what?
Before use this one, what is work for you? Before you
come out for road, you know want you. Come out for road, they go.
Because you know, no. No be you dey do shakara so. Men carry me na since you no gree go. Wow, I shall change of name. This people
Let's what happened. Follow me talk now. You don't give am.
Why you gonna behave like that? Just come.
Abeg, make una shut up. I see they talk so much. Customer no dey make we find customer.
Wow. You no dry like this so.
No. Just come pack am for here. You don't do anything. Yeah.
Customer don't dey pass. They don't go side B be that now. Don't come block road for person.
Fresh guy. Fresh boy. See that happen now. Boy, don shop na me na.
Make I check wetin you carry now.
Make
Make I check your boot and
plenty.
make I check another one. Who be this masquerade?
See this short man. Follow your size now. Oh wow. I know.
You don't know your mates before. Your mates dey here. Even devil know him mate sef.
Bad guy. Alpha. Yo!
How far now?
How dey be?
How dey Jerry? It's me, so.
So when your face dey like this person there?
No, guy, I see Jessica for road, though. So they come here.
Who call me Jessica again?
You see now. Her name is Jessica.
That Olusho.
Yeah, stop it, I don't like it.
Wait oh. So they try talk say your face dey like this. Because you see Olusho where she stand for road, they walk.
I see me, you know they call her that nonsense.
Make I understand them now.
No, they do that kind. I know they like her, but don't call her that. That is babe clean now. The girl is smart, the girl is beautiful. I don't understand what she's doing on the road. Like, it doesn't even make any sense.
How do they talk no make sense, guy? What is your problem? Concern you? See, guy, I come off for house, come here, make we gist, make we come on, make we go chill. Now, wait till carry me come here. Nobody is ready to talk.
I'm not going to go house. No, I'm not going to come out again.
Okay, they go. Kinsley, make I dey go.
I say I don't change my mind. I don't want to come out again. Just go house. No verse. No verse, I beg.
You dey mess up, oh.
I know. No verse.
You dey mess up, oh.
I know, no. I know.
No wahala.
Safe, eh?
You dey mess up, oh. You dey mess up, oh. Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hey, boo.
Hey. How was your day?
It was okay. How was yours?
It was fine.
You good? What you watching?
Just watched the program. You look tired.
I'm exhausted.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So why don't you go upstairs and freshen up while I get you something to eat?
No, baby, I'm not hungry. I just want to shower and sleep. I'm really tired.
Okay. So do you want me to give you a massage?
You're a bad girl. No. I just want to shower and get some sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Don't stress yourself. You can continue what you want.
No, I'm going with you.
You're coming?
Yeah, let's go. Sorry. I'm still going to give you a massage though. No, I have to. No, I want to.
Sorry. No, don't touch me. Baby, hold on. Hi. Hello.
Waiting they find for you.
I just wanted.
You not supposed to here. Waiting they find for you.
I just wanted to make sure you got home safe. That's all.
I was waiting. My papa, my mama, I be my husband.
Oh, can you just calm down? It's not that
Bros,
serious.
they go your house. You hear me? They go your house.
Jessica, don't be.
Waiting you call me. Jesse waiting. Now you give me the name. You be my papa. Why they call me Jessica? I don't understand.
Okay. I can see you're clearly not in a good mood. So I'm just gonna go. I'll come check on you.
Come do waiting. I don't understand, bros. Come do waiting. Waiting they fight for where I dey now. You dey pity me now.
That's not.
You see me as charity case. You want use me as charity case, bros.
I literally just said I wanted to come check in on you.
See, may I tell you, business when me and you get, it don't end. You see, I service you well. I teach you how to knack. You don't sabi knack. I dey respect you sake of say you been dey good to me. But I say God beg you, bros. Carry your wahala come up for here. Come out.
So what if I get you another job? I really don't want you in those streets. Okay, I could get you another job. It's not a big deal for me. I just want you out of the streets. Please, let me help you.
Come up for here.
Don't be like this now.
I say, may you come up for here.
Jessica, just listen.
Bros,
okay,
come up for here.
Just think about it.
No, what? You don't want to come out.
You don't even want to. I'm just trying to help. Why are you acting like this? Okay, alright, fine. I'm going.
You don't want to come out.
I'm going. I'm going.
No, stay now. Stay. I said, may you stay. No, you don't want to come out. Stay, bros. Come, may we talk now. You want to talk? Come, may we talk, bros. Come now, bros. May we talk. I better come up for my side. I go choke you. Come up for. I go choke you now. Come up for here.
Nothing else dey happen for this place.
Guy, yeah, I don't understand though. From the blueprint of the house, yeah, the facade is not corresponding with the one we have here. Because we marketed here to have parking lot, but now it's not having the same distance here. Because from here to here now is 100 square meter, but from here to here now is nothing close to 100 square meter, right? Bro, I'm teaching this up now. Pay attention. Look at this thing. I'm trying to understand this thing, yeah.
What was that?
From the plan we had, from here to here is 100 mm. From the backyard now is 100 mm. Now look at what he designed. It's not tallying now.
What project is this one?
The shopping mall at Lekki now. Yes, now.
Which of the shopping malls?
What did they worry you now? Shopping mall project now we will get now for Lekki. Yes, now. So this thing that this guy sent to our email, I'm just checking with what we have here now. It's not tallying.
But I called him and I said he went to the site and he
went to the site with the survey we gave to him now, isn't it?
No. Wait, which of the shopping malls is it?
I know they whine me now. Which kind of question now? What did they worry? What did they solve?
Listen, Jerry, I'm good. I just don't doubt.
Kens, what did they solve, guy? If you do for this project, we'll go mess up. Because me, I'm not understanding what this guy is doing here.
No vex.
Check this thing.
Just run out from the beginning.
I did run now. Okay,
which of the shopping malls is
the one at Lekki. Right.
Okay.
Now look at the design. Now the survey. Look at that.
So what exactly is not tallying now?
Wait, let me go back to the survey. Look at the survey we have. Right. Look at you see everything now.
Here, have juice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have here. Do you like the food?
That's okay. Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your friend is back. Hi, baby. Hey, you're back. Welcome.
Alright.
Are you good? Sorry.
Okay, welcome.
Well done.
Hi, baby.
How far waiting you do for my husband this time?
And the job for your house, the cruise. Now why don't you pick your phone, Abi?
Which are they pick you up call for?
And they call you know pick my
Wait, why they come? Which are
you say that we can say we go watch match.
Oh, well, I know the
Baby, you didn't even tell me that your friend Fame is so funny. He's been cracking me up.
He no go talk. This guy can never say anything good about me.
Right. Babe, let me get food for you, okay?
No, babe, I'm not hungry. Go up more. I better do quick job the girls. I need to go watch match.
Come pursue me for you.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm good, babe. I just want to shower and sleep.
Okay.
I don't tell you, you go out.
The cruise.
Yeah, right?
Okay.
What's going on?
What's going on now? What do you mean?
Are you having money problems? Do you need money?
No. Where is all this one coming from?
Is work stressing you? Is there a project you're doing that is maybe stressing you?
Babe, it's nothing I can handle. I'm good. Babe, I'm good now.
I miss you.
But I'm right here now. Why are you missing me? I'm not going anywhere.
That's the point. You're right here, but I still miss you. We don't have conversations like we used to do before I got here. We don't spend time together. It's as if you enjoy being by yourself alone, and it makes me think all sorts.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Don't you love me anymore?
What? What do you mean? I'm in love with you now, you know.
So you're not attracted to me?
Am I mad as in how? Babe, you know I'm obsessed with you. Yeah. Look, I've just been stressed from work and I understand how you feel. Okay? And I promise you I'll do better.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
I love you too.
I love you. Is that really good? You sure? Yeah, smile. Smile for me. Yeah? What's damn? I'm here to say this. What are you doing downstairs?
I want to go back downstairs.
I'll do what I see. What are you doing downstairs? See, you want to go back downstairs. You're just going in there.
Let me go.
Yeah, fine.
Guy, what did they worry you? You've not been yourself these days, guy. What did you so?
Mommy said I don't understand myself, I swear.
As how now?
I think I'm having feelings for Jessica.
Who be Jessica again?
Juicy now.
It is serious?
I swear.
Juicy? Guy. Why?
Shouldn't be why, man.
Why you dey get feelings for Juicy? People don't sleep with almost all the men in Lagos.
I beg, if you no start that nonsense, I beg.
I go talk am, bro.
Well,
Tell
stop
me that.
now. Why do you like
Stop waiting. See, okay. That girl don't come to your life now. She don't do what she come to do, which is to teach you how to perform in bed. She's done. Let her go. Don't fall in love with her now. What did they worry you? You don't get babe. See, babe, what you get?
You don't even understand what guys see. You see, I never use all this is really talk. Or you tell me say I know I get babe. Guy, I know all these things now, but since I met this girl, bro, I've not been able to get out of my head. I don't try.
Yeah, you talk rubbish. I swear.
Nah, see. No worries, no worry.
You talk rubbish. Because I'm trying to wrap my head around this. You talk rubbish. Okay, now you first knack for your life. No while I get born. But it's not enough for you to leave your babe and follow her now.
See, if I'm make a push your brain now. You don't see that this babe help me collect my phones and my wallets from those boys.
And so?
Should I be asshole? Now see, I know this thing sounds somehow, but bro, like, I'm falling for that babe, man. I must see, I know this thing sounds crazy, but guy, like, I don't know what to do, bro. See, I'm falling for this babe, bro. I swear to God, I'm falling for this babe bad.
Yeah, honestly, all this thing we talk now don't make sense at all. Because, say she, okay, maybe we'll begin counting babes don't do for you.
But I'm not disputing. See.
No, maybe we can check out. Okay, what is that I don't do for you?
I know they dispute them now.
Zara has been there for you from the day one.
I know.
She has been there. From her contacts, we don't get money. See, from one project we will do from her contacts. They don't give us money, we use buy that phone more than 10 times. What did they talk? Don't go do this rubbish, go lose good woman. No. I tell you.
I don't understand. So what? Jessica is not a good woman because she's sleeping with men for money. Is that it?
She's not a good woman.
My guy, you're being judgmental right now.
I'm not being judgmental, bro. No good woman will be sleeping around for money.
Bro, you're being just see. In fact, no worries, Seth. I already know say no go understand. So just dead out.
God, what did this girl give you, Joe?
I said, maybe you dead out now.
What is wrong with you? Have you lost your mind? What is this madness? God has blessed you with a good woman finally, and you want to lose her in the most foolish way. Kinsley, listen and listen real good. It's over my dead body that I will allow you to be with a prostitute. No son of mine will be with a prostitute. I know she has given you just right, but my God in heaven will destroy it, and Zara is the one for you. The earlier you realize that, the better for you.
Jessica, stop this thing you're doing. Get in the car now. I'm talking to you.
I beg you.
Why are you acting like this?
Who you think say you be? You dey Chris? Because I never change that for you.
Jessica, stop. I beg, just get in the car.
Bros, day your deal. Day your day.
Jessica, get in the car. Jessica.
Bros,
okay,
don't make me vex.
Okay, fine. Fine. I'll pay for your services. I want you for the night. I'll pay you for the night now. Chibi, that's what you want.
You mean now?
Yes, I'll pay. Just get in the car, please.
How you talk now? You mean business?
Yes, I do. Would you get in the car?
Oh, nah.
Yes.
Alright, now maybe we go.
It's okay. You don't...
I don't miss you, Sha. Oh, yeah, now.
Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you. Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all I need. Oh, the reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are.
Same account, yeah?
Why they do like this? Eh? I don't understand. My own business never finish. Why you don't want free my matter?
200k.
Eh?
Send.
Eh?
Go inside and sleep, Jessica.
Okay, now, bros. Now, so you want the same money they give me? Now you go tire. Oh. Eh?
Jessica, why are you being like this? I mean, there's a million other things you could be doing. Why do you choose to live like this? It doesn't even make any sense.
You they judge me?
I'm not judging you. But you could get a job. I could help you with that. Did you go to school? I can employ you. I can recommend you.
Why are you doing this? Tell me. Why are you doing this, Kinsley? What do you want from me? I have tried. I am trying to get you off my head, off my mind, off my space, but you keep appearing. What is it? Why do you want me to believe that you like me?
Because I love you.
Eh?
Jessica, I love you.
Yeah?
And that's one of the reasons I don't want you living like this. Please, let me help you.
Kinsley. Eh? Fine boy. Kinsley, if I knock you up, say I go knock you better now. Eh? You're not supposed to lie. If I knock, you're not supposed to lie for knock.
What reason would I have to lie to you? Jessica, I fell in love with you from the very first moment I met you. And I know it doesn't make any sense. I don't know why. But I did. And that's the truth. And I genuinely want to help. Let me help you start afresh. I don't want you on those streets, please. Okay? Please. Okay, let me help. Jessica.
I thought you have someone.
Yes.
And you want me to believe you love me? Eh? What do you take me for? You think I'm stupid? You think I'm gullible?
No.
I see that. You really expect me to believe that you love me? That you will pick me over? Wait till I be a shower. Prostitutes. You want me to believe it? Huh? Go.
You are all I need. The reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you. Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all I need. Oh, the reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you. You are my sunrise on the darkest day. Oh, when you need some shelter from the rain, when you need a healer for your pain, I'll be there. Time and time again. some shelter from the rain. When you need a healer for your pain, I'll be there time and time again. 'Cause I love you. 'Cause I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, I love you.
Hey, baby, you're back.
Hey. You're sleeping already?
Yeah, I dozed off while I was waiting for you.
I'm sorry. I just had a lot of things to take care of.
It's fine. It's fine. Did you get enough fresh air?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I missed you.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh, okay. Nothing. I just want you to know that you're an amazing woman. Always remember that. Okay?
Okay. Are you sure you're okay? Because you don't sound this serious usually.
I'm good.
Okay. I also want you to know that you're an amazing man. And I don't know what's going on with you, baby, but I want you to know that I'm always going to be here for you. Always.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Babe, I'm really tired. I should go freshen up.
You don't want to have something to eat.
I'm good. Alright? Just, you could come try me when you're done with whatever.
Yeah, sure.
I don't want to talk. I beg, I want rest. Sasha, you know the year word, eh? This girl, what's happen now, eh? What's happen?
Wait now, Jessica. Wait.
Why are you doing this? What do you want?
Jessica, I just came to check up on you.
I know what made they check on me. You know the hear word. No, they come my house. Ah!
Stop now. Why are you acting like this? Come, your career is too much. You calm down now. Why are you acting like this? So I can't come and check up on you again, is that it? It's because you know that I like you. I have feelings for you. That's why you're treating me like this. Or what, you think I've not thought about all the ways this thing could go wrong? I can have you, girl. She's beautiful. She's smart. She's the best thing ever. And my mother loves her. See, if my mother finds out what I'm doing right now, she will kill me. But for some reason, I cannot get you out of my head and I don't know what to do. I have constantly fought my feelings for you. It keeps coming back strong. And every time I find myself coming to you and I don't know what to do. And I get it. I come off as selfish, as disloyal, and Jessica, what do you want me to do? Like, I've tried to find my feelings. I've tried to get you out of my head. For some reason, I cannot get you out of my head.
You have to.
So how?
No, you have to. Kinsley, you have to. You see what you want from us? Like, what you want. It can't happen. It won't. So I don't know why you are leading me on.
I'm not leading you on to anything. Look, I genuinely care about you. And I don't even know why. But it's there. And I feel it is real. I'm not trying to play games with you. Okay, I want to be there for you. I want to help you. And look, I don't even care about your past. I don't care about what you've done. Whatever it is, it can stay there. As long as you're willing to get off the street, that's enough for me. Look, I know that this feels wrong. It probably is, but please just think about it. Alright, just give us a chance. I don't have any ulterior motives whatsoever. I just want to be there for you. So please just stop pushing me away. I'm begging you. Please.
You are my sunrise on the darkest day.
As the first daughter and child of my parents, I couldn't watch my family keep suffering. I had to do something. My parents suffered so much to put me through school, yet finding a job was very difficult. I watched them toil day and night to put food on our table. It wasn't easy. My father sold thrift bags and we were managing. Everything changed one day when he was returning from the market and he got hit by a vehicle. The accident affected his legs and hand. He became disabled and he started using a wheelchair. After some time, my mother suddenly became sick with stroke and she too started using a wheelchair. My life became a nightmare. My parents needed medical care and there was no money. I couldn't just sit at home and watch them die. I needed to do something. So I left home. Honestly, I tried. I wanted to get a job. I went to different offices. I went to apply for jobs, but nothing. Nothing. At some point, I even had to hawk, but it wasn't enough. It couldn't sustain us. It couldn't take care of us, and I had no choice. That was when I got into prostitution. I am not proud of the things I have done. The way you come from, where I come from. When you see poverty, you do the things you vowed that you would never do. I had no uncles, no aunties, nobody to help. So tell me, do you still want to get entangled with me? Kinsley, I have nothing to offer you. I am dirty. I am empty.
Stop.
Okay?
Don't do that. Okay? You're not dirty. You're not empty. Listen to me. You're a human being who had to do what she had to do to survive. And that's okay. Okay? And I totally understand why you did it. But Jessica, this lifestyle is really not sustainable. Okay, listen to me. I know it's the last thing you want to hear right now, but it never ends well. Okay? But like I said, I don't care about your past. I'm not here to judge you or tell you what to do with your life. I just want to help you see that you could be so much more. There's so much more to you, Jessica, than juicy. That's not who you are. You know what's crazy? After hearing everything you just said now, I swear it's probably weird. But I'm more into you now than I was when I knocked on the door. So. God, you're an amazing person. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, would you let me help you? I really don't need anything from you. I mean, I will need you to let me come check on you from time. Hey, I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be cracking jokes right now. Come on, don't do that. Now you make me start crying. I need to cry too. It's okay. I'm here for you. Okay? Okay, say yes. Say yes. You want to say yes? Okay, sorry. It's okay.
So Alpha guy, this one when you call me okay, you think it's all. Huh?
Let me sit down.
You say?
Sit down.
Oh, okay. Alpha.
Femi, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Is it that I cannot come to you as my guy, reason you one or two things on a personal level without you involving my mother? I'm not joking.
Oh.
Because make it make sense to me. So I come to you. I have a personal issue. I come to my guy to confide in my guy. And the next thing you think you should do is call my mother.
No, relax now. It's not that deep, right? It's not that deep now. Listen, you're my bro. And I cannot watch you destroy yourself.
Destroy myself? How? Oh, God. So you, Femi, you will change woman like boxer from one woman to the other. You sit down there and you think you can judge another person. Femi, have I ever for once opened my mouth to judge you for your lifestyle? Have I ever made you feel like you're not worthy of certain things because of the life you have chosen?
Calm down. This is different now. I am a man.
You're a man. How it's different? How? It's different. So because you are a man now, it means you can jump from one woman to the other and there's no consequences for you. Eh? Or you think you can't be judged?
Yes, God. You're blowing this thing out of proportion.
For me, this is not about blowing anything out of proportion. Because I came to you as a guy to reason you on a personal level. And you're calling my mother for what?
Okay. First of all, sorry for involving your mom. Secondly, listen to the voice of wisdom, bro. I know this matter past you. This is the way they shine eye for, the open eye for your man. She's an Olosho.
So?
Olosho wey boss don't shop for streets. So? Olosho that belongs to the streets. Now you want to kill yourself on top.
Femi, so?
But you won't make a big mistake.
Which mistake? Femi, am I a child? Shebi, now you talk am now, I won't make now my mistake now. Wait now. See, this one not mistake. We're not fighting now. You understand? You be my guy. And I feel like we can reason as adults. It is my mistake. I'm the one making the mistake. Let me make the mistake myself and learn from it. Because I don't understand how I'm telling you something, I confide in you in confidence, and you're calling my mother to tell her what? So that she can do what?
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay. Kings, how would you introduce her to your guys? Like guys, you wanna come, how fast you get one marry you? Get why I tidy, why I don't finish, why I do matter with. Now I won't spend the rest of my life with. Now I won't marry. Listen, I'm now.
Tell me, I can't meet you and tell you, say I won't introduce her to anybody. Huh? And even if I want to introduce herself, how is it your business? Huh? What I have, you know, they come out with that. Ah, but you don't. You pick. She be not me. Abi? Tell me, I didn't call you here to be going back and forth with you. Eh? So whether you like it or my mother likes it, you see that girl? I love her. And I'm going to be with her. Let me make I warn you now. This should be the last time. You hear me? The last time that I will come to you as my guy and confide in you over any issue. And you involve my mother. Let me and you don't get a problem.
How far, Zara? What you happen to Zara now? Tell me.
Say, Zara, how far? Go no see why I carry you. I run am I pronounce with you. I won't keep am for life. Say, make you dey go. Get her left everything she was doing. Flew down here to be with you. You dey mad. You dey crazy. See gift wey God give you. You won't leave am. You don't leave am for the street. They wey me I don't run. Where men I fit count you men wey don't run and finish. Don't tell me say water no dey there. Now you won't carry for life. You dey crazy guy. Eh? What did they worry you? I say, what did they worry you? You dey mad. See, guy, you know my man. I no go dey here, you go destroy yourself. They talk say, shame no dey catch mad man. Na your friend in the catch. I dey shame your shame, guy. Your shame cover my face. Bro.
Eh? So not so this serious. The kind they serious. Well, I got hand the day. I got hand the day. So man feel over shower. Man feel over shower. Well, finally go down answer your prayer. You don't bring man. You come out from this hood. Come out from the street. Keep him chance. Keep him.
What about the woman that came down here for him?
Pretty concern the woman. I don't understand. Pretty concern the woman will come. They go settle their matter. Yes, they go settle. That one no concern you. Waiting concern you now and make you face the love where God don't give you. You talk of matter. Leave matter for Matthias. You know concern you, my sister. Maybe they don't settle. Yes. They don't settle before income. I beg go. See this blessing where God give you like this. Embrace am. Hold am tight. No go throw am. It's be your problem now. If say I dey push you me go to a shower. I dey push you make you enter streets. But at the same time, you need love. You don't try, you need love. You deserve love. I don't say you always cry. I won't come up for this food. I won't come up for a shower this. You won't do this. You won't do this. God don't carry and can't give you now. Still be your problem. They think of what's no concern you. My sister, come out. Just see love. Love one. Hold am tight. I'm very happy for you. I'm very, very happy for you. They smile now. No, they look like that. They smile. Sasha. I'm gonna miss you. Let's see. I'm gonna miss you for streets. Yeah, I still do you. I still do game more. In case you get your old clients. My love. So happy for you. Very happiness won't see him like this. Thank you. Don't worry. They smiled. Smile, reach here. They smile. Smile, reach there, baby. Come on, hard for her. Nothing they happen. I got you. Yeah. Hey.
Hiya, babe.
Yeah.
Are you good? Yeah. Did anything happen?
We need to talk.
Is this about another woman?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay. So there's someone else.
Yes. Look, Sarah, I swear I didn't plan for any of this to happen. I don't know how it happened. It just did.
Thanks for being honest. Does she make you happy?
No.
You don't have to lie.
Yes.
I actually suspected this. So I spoke to Femi. But he told me to hear directly from you.
Zara, I swear to God, you're not the problem. Okay? You're perfect. You're the most amazing person I've ever been with. You're the best. Zara, I just don't know how it happened. Okay, and I swear to God, I loved you. I don't even know what to say.
It's fine.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I totally understand. At least you didn't lead me on. That would have hurt more.
I'm really sorry.
It's fine. I understand you. I mean, you're a good guy. So for you to do this, it means you really love this person. So it's fine. I made something. Let me get you something to eat.
Sorry, wait. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I come. Hello.
My name is Femi. Kinsley's friend.
Oh, hi. Please, come in.
No, forget that level. I'm not here for that. If we are being honest with ourselves, you know you cannot be with him.
I know, but I want to.
You should not. You both are worlds apart. See where you did now. Ashawo Potter. Olushu. Now you be. You're a prostitute. Won't carry your life. Can't destroy my man's life if you're mad. Kinsley has a normal life. He has a normal job. He'll do okay. Grace of God in your head. She say you know rich. Abi?
He loves me.
That's where they confused.
No, he's not. He loves me. And I love him too.
Now that lamba is what I'm Abi. Ah! No wonder. So I say I love him, I love you, I love you, I love you. Can't they agree for you? You they mad. Also they love. For an dictionary, you will get love for an dictionary. Not to knock man collect money. That's what you did do. When they pay you now, it's your time, oh, they break, oh, they don't finish you. You don't get water again. Your body nothing day, your life nothing day. You they mad. Till they worry. So after sleeping with 300 or 500 men, you don't rubbish your life finish.
I didn't choose to be on the street. Life happened.
Now the lamba be that nah today. We know when everything that they talk say life happen. And so life they happen to other people. Why everybody no become a show? Why I no be a show? Listen to me. Come make I warn you. Stay away from Kinsley. Now my man in be. You hear me? If you think say you be street, me na street pro max. If I see you close to them again, you no go like what I go do you. I shower. Only leg where you carry come. We dey here.
Hello, mommy.
Kinsley, Sarah just texted me that she's leaving.
Yes, she is.
After everything I said, you still let that girl go.
Oh, mommy, I don't understand what exactly your problem is. And if I'm being very honest with you, mommy, I don't appreciate the way you keep talking to me and treating me like I'm one child. I'm a grown man. I can make decisions for myself. So I don't understand why you keep trying to boss me around up and down. I don't like it. Look, I understand that, yes, you wanted Zara for me. You felt like she was the best option for me. But I love somebody else now, mommy. What do you want me to do?
So you love a prostitute, right?
Mommy, I love a prostitute. She makes me happy and that's who I'm going to be with.
I will not let you be with that girl. No.
Mommy, what exactly is your problem with me?
Why do you have a problem with every single thing I decide to do in my life? Why do you always have a problem? Because I don't understand it. And this is the same thing you've been doing since from time. I wanted to join the seminary. You said no. Over your dead body. Even though I told you that I felt like it was my calling. You said I should not join that. So what? That I want to leave you to die without any grandchildren. I said, no problem. I will do what makes you happy. The time I wanted to leave the house, you said no, I should wait. That's why I want to leave you alone. Who will take? I waited, mommy. So I don't understand what your problem is. Every single time you're having a problem with everything I do. I'm a full-grown man. You can't be telling me what to do every time. Look, see, mommy, I don't even know why I'm going back and forth on this thing with you. Because I've already made my decision and that's final. There's nothing you can do about it. Because if I don't end up with Jessica, I am not going to be with anybody else. I will stay single until I die. And mommy, you know what that means for you? It means there's no grandchildren for you. So if you know what is good for you, you will let me do what makes me happy.
Don't do this to me, Kinsley. Please don't. Of all the girls in the world, why?
Which one is why the prostitute? This prostitute, she's not a human being. Why do you keep hammering on this prostitute? She's not a human being. Just like, what's the big deal? We all make mistakes. Okay, she has lived a funny lifestyle. Doesn't matter. Does that define who she is? Mommy, you've made mistakes. I've made mistakes. Everybody has made mistakes. There's no problem with that. But all that matters is that she makes me happy. Well, you don't want me to be happy. Is it just about what you want me to do? You know the person is. At least just meet her once. I promise you, mommy, if you meet her just once, you will fall in love with this. The crazy thing is that she's exactly the kind of girl that you want. I understand she's a prostitute, but let's leave that one out first. It's something that can be worked on. Mommy, just give her a chance. This girl, she's everything that you want from me. She's beautiful, she's smart, she's homely, she's kind, she's generous, she takes care of me, she makes me happy. What else, mommy? And she can still give you the grandchildren that you want. Doesn't matter. Mommy, please, just give this girl a chance and just meet her once. I'm begging, please. Okay, I'm sorry that I yelled at you.
They come. I come on. Good afternoon, ma. Are you looking for someone?
Are you Jessica? Do you know Kinsley? Kinsley is my son.
Oh.
Your face looks familiar.
Collect back. Bring your bag, Joe. Collect your bag. You have to say, collect all this. Collect back. I don't want to be this one. Collect all this.
I say, you shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me now. I say, look, shoot me. Person was supposed to be now, mama, now one of them. Come over here. Now, wait till your spider teach you. Now, wait till spider teach you now, this. Eh? No, while I'm tell her. Mama, calm down. Mama, calm down. Your mama be a shower. Collect her. Come over here. Come over here.
Thank you, my pikin. Thank you so much.
Mama, calm down. Don't do.
I'm grateful. Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
don't. No, Mama, no. You're supposed to do that. Mama, sorry. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're sure they did not hurt you?
No.
They did not injure you?
No. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, what are you doing here now? What are you doing in this kind of place?
I came to visit my family here, but I've been talking and nobody is at home.
Mama,
thank you.
This place is not safe. You can't be here. You are very lucky that I came. These boys, their eyes they red.
Thank you very much. God bless you. You're my saving grace.
Why don't you don't?
Are we saved now?
Yes, Mama.
How do I
did they take your phone?
No. It's here.
Okay, it's here.
Yes.
No, voila. I go carry you go junction. Reach junction. You call the people. You tell them say we dey junction.
Okay.
Make they come meet you. Okay. Mama, no worry. I dey here. Where they go? No panic.
Inasmuch as you have helped me in the past, but now I see the real you. I came to warn you. I want you to stay away from my son. The next time I come here, I'm going to give you war. Understood?
Juicy, what did they do?
I won't burn my shower.
Born wait, abeg give me. Tell me say born. What did they born?
Sasha, what's happen?
I don't understand though. Baby, serious. Say you want quit.
Yes, I want to quit. And me, I would really love you to quit too.
When love find me, I go quit. But for now, make I rock your clothes, my guy.
Sasha, clothes where I want born.
I love that girl. Born care. Where are they here? They crazy. Clothes where they love since if you wear them, I go love them. I find girl. Love her, baby. I'm so happy for you. Come now. Come now. That's why.
You said me, I go like when you quit too.
Quit waiting. I beg in a house like that, I know they quit anything. Pick waiting. I beg the worker they go.
This
Oh yeah, papa they go.
Yeah.
Lover girl.
You get luck.
Fine girl. Girl away straight. Girl away fine love.
I beg.
I shower. I beg give me make I follow you. Ah. Lover girl.
After you.
Thank you.
Please make yourself comfortable. You can sit anywhere you like. Welcome to my humble abode. I hope you like it. My taste in decor can be very nonsense sometimes. So you manage it like that.
Wow.
What?
It just feels different.
It does?
Mhm.
How?
Being here, not as juicy, but as Jessica.
Oh, this is the first time Jessica's here. Hello, Jessica. The name is Kinsley. It's lovely to finally meet you.
Oh my God.
Stop it, don't leave a brother hanging.
Okay, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Mm.
You're gorgeous. Now, I know that this is probably going to come off as a bit too forward or weird, but I think you're an amazing woman. And I feel like there's a connection going on here. I know you can feel it too. Mm-hmm. It's very strong, spiritual, it's deep. Mm-hmm. It's there, right? You can feel it. Stop, be serious.
Okay.
Good. And it will make me the happiest person in the entire world. Mm-hmm. If Jessica would say yes to be my girlfriend.
What would Jessica say?
She'll probably think about it, yeah?
No.
Yeah.
No. Jessica knows what she wants.
Does she?
She does.
She does?
Yes, and she would love to be your girlfriend.
She would?
Absolutely.
Well, that makes me very happy. What? Hey. Look at me. I love you, Jessica.
And I love you, Kinsley.
Come here. Wait, don't laugh. Hey, you laugh. Okay.
That was intense.
It's pretty intense.
Yeah.
But now that that's out of the way, you hungry?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? Alright then, you just go upstairs, you freshen up, get off your clothes, you can wear any of my shirts if you want. You're comfortable? Don't worry about your bag, I'll bring it upstairs for you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna go in the kitchen and whip up something nice for you.
You're going to cook for me?
Chef Daddy?
Okay, okay. Let me go freshen up because I need to serve you.
You understand? I'm not serving you.
No, I'm going to serve you.
What are you saying?
Jessica. Jessica.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you want juicy?
Cola.
Bad man. Okay.
Alright, let me help you. I just know I got you.
Sure.
How far?
I was in the neighborhood and I decided to go to Motola. Kinsley. You are my brother. You are my man. You are my blood. Guy, I don't like the way things are between us now. I was only looking out for you, brother. Okay. I admit, I was wrong. I shouldn't have gone to her place. I shouldn't have even met her or spoken to her even. I am sorry. But what I don't understand, you say, I don't know what you see in that girl, bro.
That means it's not your place to know what I see in her. All that matters is what I feel, and it's real.
So you love her that much?
Yes, I do.
Okay. No wahala. I respect your decision. I just pray you never regret this decision.
I'm not regretting anything, Femi.
Abi? Okay. Bro, I'm sorry. Honestly, I am. Come home. Oh, yes, man. Sorry.
Thank you for respecting my decision. It means a whole lot to me. And I really hope we don't revisit this kind of nonsense behavior again.
That's fine.
Me know they mess up from my side, I beg.
Okay. I need to get going. I'm going to pick Jessica up. We're going out.
Work? Yup. She now works at Hans International.
Oh, wait. She's a graduate?
Which kind of stupid question over there? Yes, she's a graduate. First class graduate, chemical engineering.
You serious? Papa, you shocked me, die. Jeez. Oh, wow.
Good for you, good for her. I am glad she's doing well for herself.
Thank you. Yeah, sure. Tomorrow we'll feature now.
Abi.
How do you push?
Okay, maybe they'll cut together.
Yeah, no. Okay. I will just leave everything here. So, how long day now?
Welcome, ma. Kinsley is upstairs. Let me go get him.
I didn't come to see him. I came to see you. Please come and have a seat. Have a seat. You're a woman like me. I've gone through a lot of hurdles myself. But that never made me change my morals. I remained the person I am, with dignity, with my head high. I didn't decide to behave like other women who wanted to take the shortcut. A lot of women, of course, they don't want to go through pains and hardship. They feel the shortcut is the best way, but I never did.
I'm not here to judge you. No. Far be it. I remember the first time I met you. You were an angel sent to save me. But the second time, you were something else, just Delilah. I'm not here to judge you. You cannot judge a book by its cover. No. He's my only son. And I'll do anything that makes him happy. I just came to give you my blessings. But I don't want anything to happen to my son. Nothing. I want you to make sure you protect him. Make him a happy man. And I want you to give me grandchildren. I don't want to judge you by your situation. But one thing I want you to promise me is you will turn a new leaf. You will not break my son's heart. You will not go back to your vomit. You will be a brand new woman. Promise me that. You will. Okay. That's what counts to me. Son, please sit down. Well, I came to give both of you my blessings. Please, can you kneel down? Let me pray for you.
Yes. Thank you, Mama.
In Jesus' mighty name. Father everlasting, King of Kings, I pray that this union remains fruitful, that they will love each other till eternity.
Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all I need. Oh, the reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you. Through the clouds, I see love shine. You are all I need. The reason why I smile. I love you just the way you are. I'm so into you. You are my sunrise on the darkest day.
What are we doing here? Where's this place?
You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah?
You just finished building this?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What is it for?
You. And your family.
Huh?
You heard me. So, I see the way you talk about your family. I know you miss them. So, I thought, why not get you a place so they could come here and be with you? Plus, I feel like you could get better medical attention here, where they're close to you and you can watch them. So, it's for you and your family. Hey, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't. I got you.
I just want. What are you saying? Kinsley, the baby is too much. No, babe, see.
Babe, I can't take this. I don't deserve this, babe. This is too much now.
Jessica, stop it. You deserve it. Look at me. You deserve this and more. I love you, and I'll do anything for you. It's a good thing. Let's not kill me. The house is yours. You don't have to do anything. It's okay. It's hey. Babe, it's okay. You don't have to do anything. It's okay. It's okay.
Babe, I'm so happy. Make me so happy, so happy. What did I do to deserve you?
You don't have to do anything. You know what I said.
You can leave the bag.
I'm going to give you your bag. Hold it up.
To myself.
My sunrise on the darkest day. When you need some shelter from the rain, when you need a healer for your pain, I'll be there time and time again. 'Cause I love you. 'Cause I love you. Yes, I